If you're considering roof restoration, look no further. United Trade Links can help. We're Australia's leading roof regeneration specialists with over 15 years of experience on all types of residential and commercial roofing materials. This includes cement tile, metal and terracotta roofing. By far the most important part of your roof is to protect everything under it, making it safe and sound. A well-maintained roof prevents erosion and increases the life of your home or business for many years to come. Say hello to a fresh and new look. Not only will your roof have that wow factor, but it will significantly increase your market value and selling capability. After all, you know how important first impressions are. So call us today on 1300 698 559 or email sales@unitedtradelinks.com.au or go to our website www.unitedtradelinks.com.au.